And no pussy. What time? 6 o'clock? 6 o'clock want it now. Pussy. Batty boy.
They're gonna kick it.
Boom, boom,
Quick time, but
But you want little of the skating on my X6. Pull up on him blood clot, touch a style. Oh my God. One. You go. Yo, I'm out.
if you know it's vandalize, I represent for Lavish ENT TV. The only TV, the best TV, the greatest TV, the #1 TV. So you know we are represent for Lavish, and them don't know the thing already, right?
Andrew Holness, let me tell you this. Laughing. Yo, let me tell you this. Bumbo wall. 3.5. How much? 3. Tell me better. Man. Andrew Holness. Morning. About 6 o'clock now. By what time want it? By 6:15, 3.5 million $1,000. I want that no pussy. What time? 6 o'clock? 6 o'clock want it now. Pussy. Batty boy. I mean, I'm a friend there, boom down your bum.
Alright.
Nothing.
Forward Pinky, 200 US may I bet him.
Yo.
It's mad, so what kind of corruption you are dealing with?
No, me, my rep for.
You can't rep face, see your par with them, I might par with that 200 US.
Yo!
And a liquid one of the newest. May I bet him so may I go score from there. Jai, more the money.
2 left foot.
Yeah, 2 left foot, nothing wrong.
2 left foot.
They're gonna kick it.
Boom, boom,
Two bills,
see there? 2 bills, see there?
I'll show you my codes, ready?
Palmer.
Chili.
Dog, yo. Dog.
Yo. Give the to me. Give the to me.